You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these very interesting phrase. The meaning is very interesting, the pronunciation is confusing. From Latin, ex nihilo nihil fit, meaning out of nothing, nothing is produced, or nothing comes from nothing. Ex, that's your English pronunciation here, how to pronounce ex nihilo nihil fit. Ex nihilo nihil fit. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.